Trevor. Wish them a good flight. And our air traffic control sponsors, that's Alaska Airlines and BWI Insurance.
Now it's time to get off the airplane now. It is time to get off the airplane. We gotta let other people see it.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, this thing, see how it took off so slow. Like a super cub. This thing's badass.
Yeah, iPads on the...
Yeah. Oh, they do? I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
That's cool. That modernized up.
And then that's the door to the actual thing. That's wicked cool.
That'd be cool. It's got a lot of visibility too. So.